July 14th, NWA Ring Warriors, the National Wrestling Alliance, Hollywood, Florida. Oh my God, I get to make my debut. Oh, and not just any debut. Oh no, I get to make my debut against my friend, my travel buddy, members of the Royal Empire, this man right here, Francisco Chiazzo. This is gonna be such an insane night. I can't wait. He's probably gonna be so excited when he finds out. He has no idea. I mean, he reads Facebook once in a while, but I don't think he really pays much attention to anything really that much. But you know what? I gotta go find him. I gotta go find him right now. I gotta let him know what's going on. This is such a huge night. Huge night in my head. It's huge. Hey, Frank!
What?
Frankie!
What?
Frankie, listen to me.
Ow!
Listen, July 14th,
You
bro.
want, bro? I'm in the shower.
I'm trying to tell you the story. I'm excited.
Oh, my eye.
July 14th. You, me, NWA Ring Warriors, Hollywood, Florida. You and I were going to Hollywood together to wrestle each other one-on-one. You and me, Frank. The Royal Empire collide.
You stupid idiot! You don't think I know that? You don't think I know that it's the King of Florida, Francisco Chiazzo, and Shooter Storm, part of the royal family in the ring at the same time? You don't think that I know that? This is the Ring Warriors' big joke, Shooter. I haven't had one win in NWA Ring Warriors. So they think the big ha-ha, ow, my eyes! They think the big ha-has put you and me in the ring together. You're bothering me in the shower?
I didn't know if you knew or not. Why didn't you tell me, jerk?
Get out!
I'll get out.
Get out!
I'm getting out of
Get
here.
out!
This is ridiculous. Oh my God, he's wicked excited. You hear how excited he was? He was loud and excited. Oh my God, July 14th. You're mine, Chiazzo. You're mine. I'm just kidding, Frank. We're friends. You're mine.